Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make capture points in Fortnite Creative a very easy way. Alright, so to begin this tutorial we are going to go ahead and grab these devices. The speaker, mutator zone, class selector, item spawner, and the timed objective device. So we're going to go through each and see what the changed settings are for each of them. So here's the speaker. You can choose any sound you want. You can pickaxe it to, test the sounds before you start the game. But you do want to turn off activate on hit on the start, and then channel 3 is when you want it to activate. Then onto the mutator zone, you're just going to copy these settings. Make sure building and weapon fire is on. For size is a little bit complicated. So you'll see you can resize it and scale it without going into the actual device. But as you can see, the circle, the mutator zone is obviously not form a circle. So just make sure your mutator zone is a good size for the circle. Alright, now to the class selector. The class selector is just there for looks. It actually doesn't really do much. So it's pretty much just the circle that you see in any of the capture zones in the actual game, so that's pretty much what that's for. Then the item spawner, change these settings. Alright, so once you have all these settings copied down, so I prefer having two different item spawners, one for weapons and one for like shields, items, and stuff like that. I have 3 weapons ones and 1 shield one. So what you're going to do is you're going to place these upside down. So just roll it or spin it on the pitch axis. Doesn't matter, they both turn it upside down. So yeah, I would recommend using the shield one and the weapons one. And we're finally at the timed objective, which is the last device you need. 30 seconds is what I prefer. You can do 45 seconds, a minute, 15 seconds, whatever you want. And change the text to whatever you want as well. Alright, so once you have all the devices and settings done, you're just going to place them where they need to be in your flag. So something I also forgot, you don't have to add this, but obviously the flag is somewhat of an important part to kind of know where it is. I just use the agency ghost one. You can use a shadow one. There's some in retail row, I believe, but they change those quite often, so I don't know if they like delete them in your map or something, but you have those. And yeah, so as you can see, it works and it pauses when I go out, and yeah. Well, I certainly hope that this video was helpful. Maybe they'll just add this to creative, but I'll see you guys in the next one.